Hi everyone, happy Monday. Today I would like to unbox with you my Loom Star of the Week prize. It was my very first time winning and I am so excited. I was Loomer of the Week on March 8th. So this is the bracelet that I did. I used purple, pink and purple tie-dye bands with the white border, and I used the bands from the Lumi Pals kit. I do have an unboxing of this kit. I will link that in the description box below. So pretty. So let's get to it. And this is what I got. So awesome. I got the Beanmoji mini combo kit. This has 1,800 bands, 150 Beanmoji, 110 spacer beads, 2 speed looms, 2 dual hooks, 2 Beanmoji hook, 56 clips, and the instructions. This is what the front looks like, and this is the back. So many awesome bands, and they're like pastel colors. I love it a lot. I'm going to do like a unboxing of this. I actually do have a Beanmoji kit. I got the Besties edition. I'm going to link that video down below as well. I also got the green metal hook. You cannot have too many of these. And this is the little mini loom and the cap of the hook. Amazing. And I received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs of bands. Let me show you each one. This is the turquoise bands. These are latex free. They have 600 bands in here. You can find all of these bands in rainbowloom.com. I received orange latex free color bands. They're like jelly like and not opaque like these. Here is the green, the neon green. They're latex free. They also have the C-clips in here. These are like dual color bands. They're latex free as well. This is the Sweets Baby Blue. Sweets Baby Blue bands. It has like the baby blue in the middle, and the outside is like it has sparkles, glitter. They're so pretty. And the secrets right there. This is the solid caramel color. This is how they look like. It's like caramel. I love these colors. So pretty. These ones are my favorite. These are the dual layer spiral galaxy. Look at the colors. I love it. It has black in the middle and then different colors on the outside. It has green, blue, red, like a pink, baby pink. I see here some gray bands in here, purple. These are awesome. I cannot wait to try them. Another dual layer bands. These are the pearl penguin black bands. It has white in the middle and the outside is black. Very cool. Last but not least these are dual layer as well. They look like gold. It's the Persian caramel chocolate bands. They're dual layer. It's like gold on the outside and like dark brown on the inside. So luxurious. These are so pretty. Wow. That was a quick unboxing. I'm just like so excited for all of these, and I'm going to be doing a unboxing of this in a future video, so watch out for that. So awesome. So happy with all of these bands, and I cannot wait to try them. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this short video. As always, you can follow me on my social media sites. Have a good Monday and a good rest of the week. Bye, everyone. Thank you. And thank you, Rainbow Loom, and loves to loom.